A shrinking bell.
Mama's bell.
Better go put those trains on the track.
A track?
Yeah.
Over here?
Yeah. You can't have the trains off the track.
Come on.
You want me to come over there?
Hi. Hi.
What are you doing?
I'll put my train.
You're playing with your trains? Can you put them on the track? I want to see how they go. There you go. Do you remember the trains' names? Did you forget? Which one is Wilson?
Over here?
Yeah, which one's Coco?
Over there.
Good job.
I want to hold him.
You're going to hold them? Did Aunt Nene buy you the trains?
Yes.
Do you like your trains?
Is it Toys R Us?
Uh-huh, at Toys R Us. Good job. Do you like trains?
I got them from the God everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
I got them on my track.
Yeah, you've got them on the tracks. That's where they're supposed to be. That's good. Hey, Aeiris, do you want to get dressed?
No.
No. You want to stay in your Batman shirt? Okay. Do you want to go take a shower?
No.
Why not?
Mom, play my train.
You want to play with your train. You have to take a shower.
Nope, I'm not playing my train.
Can we take a shower later?
I'll take a shower later.
Okay.
Not buying one.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow me a kiss? Oh, very good.